Hi everybody, this is Hands That Cook and my name is Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make whipped shortbread cookies. And you're going to ask me what's the difference in whipped shortbread and regular shortbread cookies. The regular shortbread cookies it's a firmer cookie. It's still good, but when you whip it, you whip air into it and it's lighter. So that's the difference. So in the bowl I have 2 sticks of butter. That is 1 cup of butter, and don't substitute. And a half a cup of confectionery sugar, and I sifted it to get all the lumps out. And we're going to whip this until it's whipped really good. And when that happens, I'll bring you back. We're back. Now you can see I let this mix together about 3 minutes, and it is fluffy. It's fluffy. And you've got to let your batter become fluffy. And make sure that your butter is room temperature, not melted. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to whip that in, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I've gotten that mixed in. In the meantime, I sifted together a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch, and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add all this in at one time. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Should have used my little OXO bowl that's flexible, but I didn't. There we go. Whoops. I'm going to start this off slow. Be sure and keep the sides of your bowl scraped. And when all this gets mixed in and is fluffy, I'll bring you back. Alright, I let that mix about 2 minutes. Don't let it mix too long, or it'll make your cookies tough. And you can see that this is not manageable. It's tacky. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to stiffen it up some, and then I'll bring you back. We're back. Now this is more manageable. You can dust your hands with cornstarch and roll them like this in a ball, and then with a fork that you've dipped in cornstarch, you just press lightly in the center, and you know, whichever way you choose to do it. You can use the scoop like I'm doing, but really they come out better if you roll them. And it doesn't take that long, and these are so delicious. They're light, they melt in your mouth. They're that good. And when you push your fork in, don't push it too hard. Now I'm going to finish filling up this cookie sheet. I'm going to put it in my 300 degree preheated oven for 14 to 16 minutes. Place these about 2 inches apart and about the size of a walnut on your cookie sheet. But I'm going to put a few sprinkles on top. I got a chocolate here. I don't know how that'll do, but we'll find out, won't we? And I have some silver. Alright. I'm going to finish filling up my cookie sheet, and then they'll be going in the oven. Keep an eye on them. They don't get brown. They'll start getting a little tan around the edges. When that happens, they're done. Alright, our cookies are done. The first batch I baked at 300. Well, they were like this on the bottom. The second batch, and it took 16 minutes for the first batch. The second batch I baked at 325. It took 10 minutes. And the bottom is a little brown. But I'm going to break one. These are so tender. They melt in your mouth. Look at that. Here, Sam.
I wanted the bigger. I don't know why I can't eat some of them. Explain that to the viewers. They're good.
They just melt in your mouth, don't they?
They are. They're different. They're taste a little like a pecan shortbread.
Yeah.
Yeah, slightly. Really, they don't taste exactly like anything I've ever had, but it's very, very good. But you know, I can't have it.
Well, y'all, I hope you make these for Christmas or New Year's. They're wonderful.
Can't quit eating them.
Melt in your mouth cookies. The recipe I'll put down below. And this was one batch. It made 32 cookies. You all have a wonderful Christmas and New Year's, but I should be back before then. Thank you for all my new subs and my old loyal subs. Until next time, God bless every one of you, and you all take care.